And now for a special telecast on the ground on the Punjab crisis. Over now to my colleague Mausami Singh. She's on there and she's going to bring us all the latest. Mausami, over to you.
Thank you, Pooja. Welcome viewers on this very special coverage from Ground Zero. Yes, we're in Chandigarh, standing right outside the Civil Secretariat, the nerve center of all the political activity that's happening in Punjab. The cabinet meeting is over and a presser of the Chief Minister is slotted. The Punjab pot boiler is continuing to simmer, and India Today is getting you the ground report from Ground Zero. So first things first, let's hear what Navjot Singh Sidhu, the Punjab PCC chief, had to say after resigning. He put out a tweet and a video. Let's hear that out.
17 ਸਾਲ ਦਾ ਰਾਜਨੀਤਿਕ ਸਫ਼ਰ ਇੱਕ ਮਕਸਦ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਕੀਤਾ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦੇ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਦੀ ਜ਼ਿੰਦਗੀ ਨੂੰ ਬਿਹਤਰ ਕਰਨਾ ਟੂ ਮੇਕ ਅ ਡਿਫਰੈਂਸ ਔਰ ਮੁੱਦਿਆਂ ਦੀ ਰਾਜਨੀਤੀ ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਇੱਕ ਸਟੈਂਡ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਖੜਨਾ ਇਹੀ ਮੇਰਾ ਧਰਮ ਸੀ ਇਹੀ ਮੇਰਾ ਫਰਜ਼ ਸੀ ਮੇਰੀ ਅੱਜ ਤੱਕ ਕਿਸੇ ਨਾਲ ਕੋਈ ਨਿੱਜੀ ਕਿੜ ਨਹੀਂ ਰਹੀ ਨਾ ਹੀ ਮੈਂ ਨਿੱਜੀ ਲੜਾਈਆਂ ਲੜੀਆਂ ਨੇ मेरी लड़ाई मुद्दों की है मसलों की है और पंजाब पक्षी एक एजेंडे की है जिहदे मैं बहुत देर का खड़ा रहा और इस एजेंडे के नाल पंजाब दे पक्ष पूरन दे लई मैं हक सच की लड़ाई लड़दा रहा ये कोई समझौता सी ही नहीं ये अहदियां का कोई मायना सी ही नहीं ये मेरा फर्ज सी मेरा धर्म सी इन्हां ने 6-6 साल पहला बादलों को क्लीन चिट्टां दित्तियां छोटे छोटे मुंडियां दे उत्ते तशद्दद कीते उन्हां नूं उत्तरदायित्व दिता गया इंसाफ का जदों मैं देखदा ते मेरी रूह घबराउंदी है कि जिन्हां ने ब्लैंकेट बेलां दित्तियां वो एडवोकेट जनरल मैं ना ते हाई कमांड नूं गुमराह कर सकदा ते ना गुमराह होण दे सकदा सरमथे गुरु दे इंसाफ लई लड़न दे लई पंजाब दे लोकां दी जिंदगी नूं बेहतर करन दी लड़ाई लड़न दे लई ते साधना दे लई लड़ाई लड़न लई सरमथे किसी भी चीज़ दी कुर्बानी मैं दूंगा लेकिन सिद्धांतां ते खड़ूंगा इहदे लई मैनूं कोई सोचण दी लोड़ नहीं है
It's extremely unfortunate what is happening and I have no hesitation in saying that the situation has been completely mishandled. I often wonder to myself why did all this not happen when Mrs. Asha Kumari was in charge of Punjab? You know, why were things absolutely so stable and the state was progressing in a manner, in a positive manner, heading in a direction which was benefiting, each and every citizen of Punjab.
Twists and turns in the Punjab politics continue. You see that body language, the tone and tenure of Sidhu. He is absolutely adamant and defiant, in fact. Let's go to Kamaljeet Sindhu, who is right there in Patiala, where Navjot Singh Sidhu seems to be locked in his house. Kamal, what is the latest development right in Patiala from Ground Zero?
Well, Maushmi, it's been quite a dull day. It's because Navjot Singh Sidhu has locked himself inside his house. This is the nameplate right here. But what is happening here is frequently there are visitors, supporters, and if you can see the camera persons are here surrounding. So we've seen a slew of VVIPs, including some of the MLAs, go inside as a mark of support. Now several of them are those who have not got anything in the Channi cabinet. But clearly when it comes to a situation like this, and we'll try and show you a situation out here, these are a number of cars which are lined up, and clearly when you see leaders going inside the house, this is where people have parked themselves. This is to ensure that they manage to get a word from Navjot Singh Sidhu. Now, one part says that he's been sulking. The only thing is that he's come out with a video, and in that particular video, he took a high moral ground. So he's been stating that's based on principles. One, he wanted action against Badals, which has still not happened. He is against Gurjeet Rana's appointment, APS Diol, the Advocate General, who's been fighting the case against for Saini, and saying there's protection being given to all those people who've done wrong in Punjab. And that is why he's taken up high moral ground. But that is just one part. The real politics is that Channi being the Dalit face and Navjot Singh Sidhu, who had chief ministerial ambitions, being sidelined. And despite being the PCC chief, he is not having his way. And many say that he may just have crossed that Lakshman Rekha, which is something that the party high command is not happy about and is not willing to placate Sidhu anymore. And that is why the hunt for a new PCC chief is on.
Right, Kamal, many Lakshman Rekhas being crossed in the politics of Punjab, and perhaps it's given the party high command a huge headache. First you had a standoff between the captain and Navjot Singh Sidhu, and now this new twist that has really come in. Our colleague Akshita Nandgopal will give you an entire explainer into the reasons why Sidhu quit. Watch this.
When Navjot Singh Sidhu resigned, the question everyone asked is why. Sources here on India Today have told us that the reason Navjot Singh Sidhu resigned was a number of issues. One, he was upset that he wasn't made the chief minister after Captain Amrinder Singh resigned. Second, his aide Channi was chosen, but it was clear that Chief Minister Channi didn't trust Sidhu, especially amid a lot of talk that Sidhu was the one calling the shots. And that's why aides of Sidhu he wanted in the CMO, they weren't reinstated in the CMO. Besides that, Navjot Singh Sidhu was against Randhawa being made the Punjab Home Minister, the former Deputy Chief Minister. That didn't happen either. So Sidhu was upset on that front. Sidhu's ambitions essentially were shattered by Chief Minister Charanjit Singh Channi.
So, the Punjab Chief Minister struggling to keep his flock together after a flurry of resignations, and he held a cabinet meeting in the morning at 10:30. Now, thereafter, a press conference will follow, but the cabinet meeting apparently was about what's going on in the party and how, the government can be kept together, what decisions need to be taken. Watch this report.
चन्नी साहब बहुत अच्छे काम कर रहे हैं ग्रास रूट पे लोगों में बहुत अच्छा मैसेज गया कांग्रेस पार्टी का और जो नवजोत सिद्धू का है वो तो कांग्रेस हाईकमांड देखे क्या करना नहीं पार्टी में कभी किसी का दबाव नहीं चलता पार्टी ग्रास रूट पे जो लोग काम करते हैं उनकी बात सुनी जाती है और आगे बढ़ाई जाती है
ये फैसला ਜਿਹੜਾ है पार्टी ने करना है और सिद्धू साहब नाल ਜਿਹੜਾ है कि गलबात ਜਿਹੜੀ ਚੱਲ ਰਹੀ है और ਜਿਹੜੀ है शाम तक वो मसला हल हो जाएगा मैं ना हर आदमी ने ਜਿਹੜਾ कि ਜੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਕਾਂਗਰਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਰਹਿਣਾ ਜਾਂ ਕਾਂਗਰਸ ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਕਰਨੀ है ਤੇ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਕਾਂਗਰਸ ਹਾਈ ਕਮਾਂਡ ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਉਹ ਮੰਨਣੀ ਪਵੇਗੀ क्योंकि सिद्धू साहब के मन में जो कोई बात होगी ये तो या तो मीडिया के सामने आके बताएं और क्योंकि चन्नी जी बढ़िया काम कर रहे हैं
So you can understand that the challenges that are in front of the Punjab Chief Minister. You have Navjot Singh Sidhu put out certain conditions. Kamal, coming back to you in Patiala, have you learnt anything from the sources there? What are the conditions that have been laid out by Navjot Singh Sidhu? Apparently, he said he will not blink until certain conditions and demands were met. Throw some light for our viewers on that. Kamal, that question to you, Kamal. Whatever is rolling out in Punjab, if you look at Navjot Singh Sidhu, apparently his camp, our sources tell us, have put out certain conditions, certain demands. If those demands are not met, Sidhu won't blink. Throw some light on what have you learned from your sources there?
See, there seems to be hardening of position here because Navjot Singh Sidhu is not willing to reconsider his resignation being taken back. However, the Gandhis are keeping an eye on the situation. They're hoping this storm will pass through. But remember, at this point of time, when Sidhu's taken a high battleground saying he cares about the state, that he's been told by his father and by his gurus that he should take position. And let's see, there is movement outside Sidhu's residence. And let's see a car coming out. So there are people who've been visiting and are being coming out. So we'll try and see. There are some reactions coming in. Sir, आप इंडिया टुडे पे लाइव हैं. आप इंडिया टुडे पे लाइव हैं. सर, ये बताइए, आपने अंदर सिद्धू जी से मिले जाकर, क्या बातचीत हुई? क्या वो अभी भी नाराज हैं और कोई सोल्यूशन निकला?
मुझे समझ में नहीं आता. आप लोग कहते हैं नाराज है, हम बार बार ये कह रहे हैं कि मुद्दों की लड़ाई है, मुद्दों पर खड़े हैं. जो मुद्दे कह के आए थे वो मुद्दों को हल करना है. हमारे सीएम साहब करें उन मुद्दों को हल, और सिद्धू साहब और हम लोग सब साथ हैं. वो हल 18 सूत्री गुटबंदी शुरू हो चुकी है. कोई गुटबंदी नहीं है जी. कांग्रेस
तो इन्होंने रिजाइन क्यों किया? अगर कोई नाराजगी नहीं है तो रिजाइन क्यों किया?
सर बिल्कुल
So confusion here. Mosmi, you would know that even as Navjot Singh Sidhu continues to get visitors and supporters, several of them are siding with him. But remember, there are no resignations which has happened, which is a clear mark of indication that even though Pargat Singh and Amrinder Singh had come in right here in the morning, the point was very clear. They wanted to placate him. But it seems that Navjot Singh Sidhu may have bitten too much, more than that he can chew. And this is what is going to be a problem as far as Navjot Singh Sidhu is concerned, because not only has he made this an ego issue, he's also created problem and embarrassment for the Congress High Command. Whether they're willing to placate him is part one, and the other part is that they go ahead and say that Captain Amrinder Singh has already been ousted. He seems to be annoyed. But his fight is now just moved to Sidhu.
Right.
And with Sidhu throwing tantrums, it does seem that they want that Channi should be leading it. And remember, these appointments which Navjot Singh Sidhu is now opposing are the ones who've been appointed by the new Dalit face, Charanjit Singh Channi. And this is where the division within Congress party continues. And now it's going to be up to the Congress High Command whose side they take. Because if they weaken Channi, that means it's a shot in the arm, and there could be further such attitude problems as far as Navjot Singh Sidhu is concerned. But if they take Sidhu's side, remember, they will undermine Channi, and that seems to be a catch-22 as far as the Congress party is concerned.
Absolutely, Kamal, you've also got a huge task at hand, covering a very secretive Sidhu, capturing the movements from his house. And even as we stand outside the civil secretariat, you can see there are a lot of flurry of activities, cars going in, ministers going in, MLAs going in, and that's where the press conference of the Punjab Chief Minister will be held in a short while from now. But the fact is, you know, for the party high command, as Kamal, who covers Punjab very closely, she's got her nose and ears to the ground. She also pointed out the fact is that it's a huge ask for the party high command to damage control, to handle a very temperamental Sidhu. How well they do it, they've sent their emissary, Harish Chaudhary, and they're also hunting for new Punjab chief. Now that's as a backup plan. But the fact is that let's look at the plan, the alternative that the Congress has. This is the inside story. Okay. So now let's go to our colleague Pooja Shali, who's got an entire explainer on her, what are the details and the probables as far as the successors to Navjot Singh Sidhu are considered. Because remember, the party has to pick very carefully. It's a run-up to the Punjab Assembly elections. Already a lot of damage has been done, and to control that damage, the Congress party will have to bend backwards. Pooja will explain to you who are the probable successors in the line of succession.
So while heightened activity continues there on the ground in Chandigarh and in Punjab, who are possible successors? Let me take you through two names that have come till now. Kuljit Singh Nagra is on the top. Why? Because he has some political experience. He has been a Congress working president. He's also been an MLA from Fatehgarh Sahib. In fact, he was also first elected to the assembly in 2012. So he definitely has that political experience. He's a second-time MLA also, and that happened in 2017. But he has the experience of younger days as a politician. He was the former General Secretary of Youth Congress, former chief of the Punjab University Students' Union as well. So therefore, he's had this experience backing him, may be seen as a successor. But Ravneet Bittu is one of the prominent frontrunners for now if Sidhu does not take back his resignation. He's been a Congress MP from Ludhiana, also earlier from Anandpur Sahib. He's the grandson of former Punjab Chief Minister Bein Singh. So he comes from a political family. He's the former president of Punjab Youth Congress. And importantly, remember the drug menace in Punjab? It was Ravneet Bittu who had launched a massive anti-drug menace drives across the state and therefore has the social political experience backing him. These are the two names, but who knows who the Congress leadership will decide eventually. Just months ahead, the state is to now go for elections. I want to toss again to the ground because Mausami is there tracking all the latest and all the activities. These are the front runners. Mausami, over to you now of all the experience that is taking place.
Thank you, Pooja, for that explainer. And you know, the fact is that from minutes from now, we will hear from the Punjab Chief Minister and we'll really understand where the politics of Congress is actually going. But amidst all this, Rahul Gandhi has gone to Kerala for a one-day visit and he'll be there and returning tomorrow. There were a lot of speculations that his trip will be cancelled, but Rahul Gandhi has kept his schedule. He's gone to Kerala. Perhaps the party high command will be keeping a close watch on the developments in Punjab, even as Rahul Gandhi goes to his home constituency. All right, there are many questions that are actually preying as far as the politics is concerned, and Pooja will get you an explainer on what are the big questions as far as the developments are considered, what's going to happen ahead. Pooja, just give us that explainer, please.
That's right. So, of course, there must be some questions on everyone's mind of what led to this crisis in the Congress party. I've compiled some big questions for you. Number one, of course, that's what everybody's been asking, that picking Sidhu specifically over Captain Amrinder Singh, was it really a big mistake by the Gandhi leadership in Delhi? Question number two, have they actually ended up humiliating Captain Amrinder Singh more by attempting to put so much confidence in Navjot Singh Sidhu? Question number two, will Captain Amrinder Singh jump the ship to avenge an ouster? There was a possible meeting with the Home Minister Amit Shah. Could that mean more than just a courtesy call? Question number four, have Gandhis actually ended up alienating both Captain Amrinder Singh, who was their complete loyalist till now, and Navjot Singh Sidhu, who may have promised or probably assured of a victory for the Congress party? But question number five, remember Charanjit Singh Channi is the Chief Minister, but he's a political novice in so many ways in the manner in which the state needs to be led. Does he have enough clout to firefight this crisis that involves two big names? Question number six, and that will be my final question for the day. Will this turmoil cost the Congress party not only just the Punjab crown, but perhaps the fact that their party may just be in disarray now in Punjab and other parties jump into opportunity? Back now to you, Mausami.